Good morning, everybody. It's Bobby at Bobby's Hobbies. This is another Santa Fe 2102. I had misidentified it in the video the other day. I was looking at the one behind it. Same exact configuration, same locomotive. This one also is missing. You can't really see it, but it's missing the front boiler end plate cover. It does have a light though. Now here's the interesting thing. This one, if I connect it to the tender, it doesn't fit every tender because the post coming down is of a certain, I'm sorry, the post coming down on this has to be narrow in order to fit in the hole in the drawbar. So that's a little different. I don't know if that's an older version or what, but it will run sporadically and then start shorting. And I don't know why, but then this is not connected. And when I take it off, I see that someone had jerry-rigged it with a nice motor and a flywheel. But my suspicion, I just don't know, is that it's touching the metal frame, and that